What's up, fam? So today, yeah, I'm coming to you with a soul food quesadilla. Y'all see it? Yes. That's that. And I'm gonna cut it. Yep. It had a little blowout, y'all, but you know, y'all know I be thinking about some stuff. I got some stuff in here. Y'all, look at it. Greens, macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes. Look at it. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that. Yes. You know soul food gonna be messy. But hold on. Gotta pray. Lord, I thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Your son, Jesus Christ, the Lord. Amen. We got water. We got tea. Yes. Green juice. What y'all know about that? Y'all know about that. You take that. You see? Most people probably do it with. Now this not on y'all. Sorry. I got some for those who don't like quesadillas. I got a little bitty piece of cornbread for you. That's about the only thing that survived that was left from the food. Look at them. Look at them greens. Bang. I'ma just pour it. Look at that green juice. Look at it, it's just falling apart. Sometimes if it ain't falling apart, it don't be good. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit for y'all hot sauce lovers too. Just a little bit. Y'all know I'm gonna do hot sauce. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all this. Look at that. Green. Macaroni and cheese. Sweet potatoes. Show y'all. See that? Let me show y'all. Sop it up meal. Sop it up. Look at that. Take it. Put it in that green juice. And here is baked chicken, macaroni and cheese, pinto beans, green, sweet potato. Mm. Do y'all see that? I've been putting these on hold for the longest. Cornbread and green juice. It looked like it because that green, I just twirled it around in there. What that is? Butter. Oh, look at that. Cornbread and green juice. What y'all know about that? Some people put sugar in their beans. I do too. I put sugar in my pinto bean. Do y'all? But I don't know if y'all know her, but if y'all came in contact with her, this lady, was so sweet. Like grandmama, auntie, like really joyful, fun. She danced and cooked. But that's what I wanted to do this in dedication to her. Big Mama Sharon Love of YouTube. Excuse me. Look at that, y'all. Y'all look again. Y'all want to see it again? Macaroni, sweet potatoes, greens, chicken. Put some of that green juice. See, Big Mama will cook stuff like this. She will cook that, and baby. Her grandchildren come over. She got a daughter. She was just so sweet, y'all. Just growing up, we would be on live, having a good time, talking, and but she was going through chemo and radiation. Oh. Shoot. Y'all, she just was so sweet. And she passed away. You know how a person can bring some joy in your life when they just come out of nowhere? And that's what she did. She was just so sweet. You know, it's sometimes you be in need of something or somebody, you know, that can just uplift you, and she was just so sweet. She'll be dancing, just full of life. I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss her. And she was, I never met him, but it felt like I met him. Never met her, but I wish I would have. And that's the good thing about YouTube. You make connections with people. You know, y'all, I don't know about this one. Ooh. Put some more green juice. Ooh. But if y'all knew her, Big Mama, Sherry, the love. If I'm not wrong, her daughter's taking over her page. Just go over there and show some love, y'all. Cause Big Mama sure did show love around these YouTube streets. And she made a difference in my life, you know. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Good old, big old mess right here. And be happy. I was gonna show y'all this old time. I'm finished this. And I forgot I had put a little turkey tail in there. Y'all know I love my turkey tail now. And greens are almost amazing. But you ain't old school if you don't know nothing about them. What y'all know about them?